Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for iOS app development using Swift programming, a free training for everyone. In the previous session, we have talked about collection data type. There are three types we have in a collection: array, set and dictionary. So far we have studied array. Array is basically an ordered collection of similar type values. But today we'll focus on set. Sets are unordered collection of unique values. That means there is no duplicate value allowed, as you can see in the picture. Also, we have couple of functions, or you can say operations, we can perform on set. Okay, one is intersection of set, symmetric difference we can find out, we can create a union of sets, and we can subtract also. When I say intersection, we will create another set with only the values common in both set A and B. And for finding symmetric difference, we'll create new set with the values in either set but not available in common part. Union is creating a new set with all the values in both the set A and B. And subtracting is creating a new set with the value not specified in the set. It's like A minus B, set A minus B. Okay, so let's do some real-time example on XCode. So let's start XCode and go to the file menu, new and playground. You will see this window where select iOS and blank document. Go to the next window and give the name Swift set. Okay, and create. Once you click on the create, you will be landed on this way, on this page. Okay, but it will be empty for you. So we will write this code one by one and we'll try to understand what is going on here. For your help and to save the time, I have already written all the methods of sets here. So quickly we'll go one by one. We are creating here set A and data type is integer and the values have 1, 3, 2, 4 in it. Okay, another set we have created, set B, with the values 3, 4, 5, 6. In both the set, if you can find, there is a little difference of data type. While creating the set A, I have mentioned explicitly the data type integer in a angle bracket. Okay, while for B I did not mention, because when you provide the values of set while creating, the Swift automatically take care about the data type. So it will automatically treat it as an integer data type. Okay. Next is in line number 8, we have a count method to check how many items we have in a particular set. And to print, you use simple print statement. Because we know a set can have, it must have unordered item. So we can sort it out using the sorted method. Now next is, if we want to check whether our set is empty or it has items, then we use isEmpty function with the if else condition. In the same way, if you want to check a particular item, whether this item is present in the set or not, then we use contents. Next, in the line number 26, we can insert a new item in set. So we are inserting here 7 as a new item. And in line number 29, you can see we can remove also a particular item. So using the remove method, we are removing item 7. Now, if you want to iterate all the items one by one of a particular set, then use for loop this way. So here 4 and then item in A, set A. Okay, and print item one by one. So let's see the outputs here. If you go to the bottom part, the console area, drag it up. See here, I'll show you the output. See, set A have a number of counts is 4 items, and if you want to print set A, its values are 3 2 4 1. After sorting, it is 1 2 3 4. Okay, now it is checking the items, so it says we have items in the set A, and then we also check about the item 2. Yes, it says set has content 2. Then we added 7 and we removed it. Now we are iterating, so this is 3 2 4 1 1 by 1. It is printing the items. Now we can perform few operations on set A and B intersection. So we go and we will store the results in a set C. So define it here, variable C, set C equal to A intersection set B. Okay, the result will be stored in C and data type will be based on the input, so it will be integer data type. If you see the output of line number 44, intersection of A and B is 4 3. Okay, if you go into the last picture, you can understand it is a common values of both of them. Okay, now in line number 46, for finding symmetric difference of set A and B, we store in the C the results and we print. Then we can see in the console here, symmetric difference of A and B is 5 6 2 1. Similarly, if you create a union of A and B and store in the C, and if you want to print, then you can see the union of set A and B is 3 5 6 2 4 1. That means it's a combined of A and B. And subtraction is, see here, the last line result subtraction of set A and B is 2 1. That's it. This is set in Swift programming. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you like my efforts, please subscribe and share, and feel free to any ask and forgive me if anything mistake. I'm trying my best. Okay. Thank you so much.